Does the International Criminal Court have jurisdiction over Rodrigo Duterte's case? Imagine a world where justice transcends borders, where even the most powerful are held accountable for their actions. But what happens when a nation withdraws from the very court designed to deliver that justice? The International Criminal Court's, ICC, pursuit of Rodrigo Duterte's case is a high-stakes legal drama, and the question of jurisdiction is the central conflict. The ICC asserts its authority to investigate alleged crimes against humanity committed in the Philippines. This claim hinges on a crucial timeline. The alleged crimes occurred while the Philippines was a state party to the Rome Statute, the treaty that established the ICC. The Philippines was a state party from November 1, 2011 to March 16, 2019. March 16, 2019 is the date the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute took effect. The ICC argues that it retains jurisdiction over crimes committed during this period, regardless of the subsequent withdrawal. This argument is rooted in Article 127(2) of the Rome Statute. This article stipulates that a state's withdrawal does not affect the court's jurisdiction concerning crimes committed while the state was a party. In essence, the ICC argues that the clock started ticking while the Philippines was still under its jurisdiction. The ICC further contends that withdrawal does not affect the state's duty to cooperate with investigations that commenced before the withdrawal took effect. This is a critical point, as cooperation is essential for the ICC to effectively carry out its mandate. The Duterte administration vehemently rejects the ICC's claim of jurisdiction. Their central argument is that the Philippines' withdrawal from the Rome Statute extinguished any authority the ICC might have had. They maintain that the ICC's investigation constitutes an infringement on Philippine sovereignty. The administration insists that the Philippine justice system is fully capable of investigating and prosecuting any alleged crimes committed within its territory. This argument is based on the principle of complementarity, a cornerstone of the Rome Statute. Complementarity dictates that the ICC only intervenes when a state is genuinely unwilling or unable to investigate and prosecute crimes within its jurisdiction. The Duterte administration argues that the Philippines is both willing and able, thus rendering ICC intervention unnecessary and illegitimate. The ICC, however, has determined that the Philippine government's efforts are insufficient to satisfy the principle of complementarity. The ICC prosecutor has cited a lack of genuine investigations and prosecutions of those allegedly responsible for the crimes. The ICC has expressed concerns about a culture of impunity surrounding the war on drugs. They argue that the Philippine government has not taken adequate steps to hold perpetrators accountable for their actions. This perceived lack of accountability is a key factor in the ICC's decision to proceed with its investigation. The ICC investigation is specifically focused on alleged crimes against humanity. These crimes are defined as widespread or systematic attacks directed against a civilian population. The investigation centers on murders allegedly committed in the context of the war on drugs. The prosecutor's office has reportedly gathered substantial evidence suggesting that these murders were not isolated incidents. The evidence points to a widespread and systematic attack against civilians, meeting the threshold for crimes against humanity under the Rome Statute. The Philippine government has consistently denied the ICC's jurisdiction and refused to cooperate with the investigation. This lack of cooperation presents significant challenges for the ICC. The ICC relies heavily on state cooperation for various aspects of its work. State cooperation is essential for evidence gathering, including access to crime scenes and witnesses. It is also crucial for witness protection, ensuring the safety and security of those who come forward with information. Furthermore, cooperation is needed for the arrest and transfer of suspects to The Hague. The Philippine government's refusal to cooperate significantly hinders the ICC's ability to conduct a thorough and effective investigation. It raises questions about the ICC's capacity to deliver justice in the face of state resistance. The legal battle over the ICC's jurisdiction in the Duterte case is far from over. The ICC's ability to investigate and prosecute hinges on a complex interplay of legal arguments, political considerations, and practical challenges. The cooperation of other states will be crucial in supporting the ICC's efforts. The evolving political landscape in the Philippines could also play a significant role in the future of the case. The case represents a crucial test of the ICC's mandate to hold individuals accountable for alleged crimes against humanity. It is a test of the ICC's ability to operate effectively, even in the face of strong state resistance and non-cooperation. If you found this explanation helpful and want to stay informed about international law and human rights, please give this video a like. Share it with your friends and fellow students to spark discussion and raise awareness. Leave a comment below with your thoughts on the ICC's jurisdiction and the challenges it faces. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses of international law and current events. Your support helps us continue to provide informative and educational content.